Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES RidgeStep commercial running boards on a 2015 Ford F150 Supercrew. These running boards are available in a textured black powder coat finish. During this installation, we will be using a lift. However, the use of a lift is not required. These are the tools needed to complete the installation. Starting on the driver's side, locate the 3 mounting points along the bottom edge of the body. These brackets are universal and will fit both the driver and passenger sides. Starting at the front, place a nylon washer over the factory bolts, followed by the bracket. It is important to put these washers first to prevent a corrosion effect from the aluminum body and the steel bracket. Secure the bracket with an 8mm flat washer and nylock nut at each threaded bolt. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten. Repeat this process for the other 2 brackets. Next, slide the C-shaped track mounting bracket into the slotted rail on the bottom of the board. Lift your RidgeStep onto the brackets. Slide the C bracket into place and secure with 2 8mm hex bolts with locking and flat washers. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten. Adjust the running board into your desired location. Once satisfied with the placement, torque the hardware to the value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Repeat this entire process on the passenger side. Remember to do periodic inspections to make sure that all the hardware is secure and tight. Congratulations on the installation of your brand new ARIES RidgeStep commercial running boards.